Hello again, everyone. It is Thursday, September the 9th, 2021, early AM. Take a look at the Vedic, Astro Excel, Rainbow. I have it all overlaid here. We had the key timing windows yesterday, which were right on target again. We had the big green window in the B1. We came down and made the low on the green window of the A1. So generally, those smaller bright green and white windows will tie in the highs and lows in the bigger window. So we had an overlap here on these last two overnight. Now we got into, after the big retracement back up yesterday, we got into some, what of a choppy period here. Not a lot of volatility. In the first window, we made a slightly lower low than in the prior green window on the A2 panel. So you can see the low in the A2 panel was right there, and the low in our timing window is a little bit lower, maybe 2.5, 3 points, something like that. So now we just came out of that overlap. Right at the end of the A2 window, we made a high, which is, it's pretty common. The start and end of these windows will often give you intraday turning points. So we still have time going in the white window here on B1 until 8:08 this morning, and the next likely significant point would be here where I have the blue vertical line at about 7:37. Tying in yesterday's low, you see we had this low, high, low kind of W pattern, little close to being a double bottom here. This rainbow triggers coincided. So this low, high, low that I've got marked in the rectangle on the rainbow chart is the actual low of the day yesterday, the high, and then the second low in the double bottom W pattern before it took off. If you look at this, the low came in right at the A7, A8 panel, came in right at the near the beginning of that, where the first A7 window ended. Then at the white window on A7, we got the high, and then we headed back down to the end of the window where we went and turned back up again. This is not an uncommon situation. It's something that you want to keep your eyes open to watch for. We don't have any timing windows the rest of the day, so you have to trade off the pH and the rainbow triggers. And the only trigger we're going to have on Astro Excel is this peak on the blue line at about 158. You can see from where we are right now, the blue line and the green line go flat. So we don't really have an influence there, so to speak. So the only thing we're going to have is that trigger this afternoon. Both of those lines go in sync then this afternoon, right before and around 2 o'clock, and then they're down together until 8 o'clock p.m. tonight. So that's what that's looking like. A little review. That's it for today. Good signals yesterday all around. Got what we expected in the timing windows. I was looking for a high actually, but it ended up being a low, which is fine. It's still tradable either way. But that's what we got. That's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow and see what we got going then. Thanks for watching.